Hey guys, it's Jason at Kaiser Willys, and I want to talk about putting one of these headlight bulbs onto the socket and then fishing the loom through the bucket of the headlight. So we've got this driver's side socket with the shorter wiring loom. We're going to go ahead and fish. We've got it grounded to the bucket on the back side. There's one screw holding it in. We're going to fish our wires through the back side of the bucket. Once we get it here, we have our grommet, which we have taken a knife to it and then cut a slit so that we can wrap it around the wire. We're going to put some of this dielectric grease just so that it makes it easier to go in and out. So we'll put that on there. We'll then wrap it around the loom and then plug our grommet. Okay, now that we've got our grommet in place, we're going to go ahead and take our bulb. We're going to plug it into the socket. This is a 12-volt bulb. This setup will work for 6 or 12. Our harnesses are not specific to 12 or 6 volt. Now that we've got it seated, we'll go ahead and put it in place. It's keyed, so it's only going to go in one way. Now that we've got our bulb seated, aligning with the tabs on the back side of the bulb to the inner bucket, we'll take our retaining ring. It is also keyed. There are 3 of these mounting points. 2 are closer together, 1 is further away, so it'll only line up one way. This is a really cool tool. Hand me that. It works for, this one's for flatheads. So what this is it's a little tool that has a little notch here. So let's say that you're trying to fish a bolt into a tight spot. Basically, you just take this bolt. So it's got this little key here. So what you'll do is you'll turn it so it locks it back. And then when you go here, you put it into the screw, you push and it clicks, and now it's going to hold your screw. It's not meant to be a screwdriver, but it is a screw starter. So when you're trying to do something like this, where you have multiple pieces being held, you can't get a second hand to hold the screw and then also turn it at the same time. It helps if you can get that going. So now that we've got this headlight retainer ring in place, we're going to go ahead and finish it off by putting the bezel back on. There's only one bolt that holds it in. It's at the bottom. So you hook it in from the top, pull it down until you hear a snap. Okay, and then all you have to do is just line this up. It snaps into place. Put your mounting screw in, and then we'll work on the back side, hooking the wire up to the junction block located on the fender. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.